Looking for a gaming motherboard that handles the latest Zen 3 Ryzen 5000 series processors with ease? The ROG Crosshair VIII Dark Hero steps up with a powerful VRM upgrade and a smart passive cooling design, so your system stays cool and stable under pressure. Whether you're gaming hard or diving into creative projects, this board delivers the performance you need, right out of the box. I recently built a system around the Dark Hero, and it's been a game changer. The 14 Plus 2 Ti power stages rated for 90A give me rock-solid power delivery, even when I push my AMD Ryzen processor and NVIDIA graphics card to their limits. The passive chipset heatsink and M.2 aluminum coolers keep temperatures down without adding noise, which means I get smooth, quiet operation during long gaming sessions or photo editing marathons. Plus, the onboard Wi-Fi 6 and 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet ensure my connection never lags, whether I'm streaming or downloading large files. What really stands out is how user-friendly the design is. The pre-mounted I/O shield and ASUS SafeSlot make installation straightforward, even if you're upgrading your first build. BIOS Flashback lets you update without a CPU installed, so you're future-proofed for upcoming AMD processors. On top of that, you get premium components like microfine alloy chokes and 10K Japanese-made capacitors, ensuring durability and reliability for years to come. If you're serious about gaming or creative work, the ROG Crosshair VIII Dark Hero isn't just a motherboard, it's the foundation for your next-level setup. And here's an extra bonus. Every purchase includes a free 3-month Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. That means you can jump into photo and video editing with industry-standard tools right away, maximizing your productivity from day one. Worth a look if you want unmatched stability, efficient cooling, and high-speed connectivity all wrapped in a sleek, durable design. If that's you, the Dark Hero is ready to handle your most demanding tasks with ease. Try it when you're ready to elevate your build and unlock the full potential of your Ryzen 5000 series processor.